3 houses in Italy for under 25,000 euros. 1 in Sicily, 2 in Tuscany. Yes, you heard right. But before we dive into these incredible deals, I need to address something personal.
Are my videos actually all fake? I get slammed with this question in the comments every single day. AI trash, pipe dreams, the house doesn't even exist. But all jokes aside, every house on my channel is officially listed on Idealista. Even this one behind me for just 13,000 euros.
Just to be clear, I'm showing you realistic transformations, so you can actually visualize what a bargain like this, once it's look like, is finished.
So let's wrap it up. Real houses, but AI-generated renovations to spark your imagination. And now, back to the video, my friends.
The first house in Sicily is a real diamond in the rough. 4 rooms, 135 square meters, massive terraces, and a view to die for. Let's head inside. Is that a dream home or a dream home? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. All right, let's check out house number 2.
25,000 euros for a house in Italy? Yes! And it's real, and it's in Tuscany, Italy. This house has 2 bedrooms and a massive ground floor. Let's see what these men can conjure up.
Okay, this is seriously cozy. I think this is exactly how people imagine life in Tuscany. But are you ready to see the upper floor? Come on, follow me up.
So the kitchen is, well, let's just say it's vintage. It's time for a major upgrade. We're turning this into a Semper test, so let's get started.
Wow, I'm actually surprised by how much I love this. It's totally my vibe. But I'm curious, how would you guys renovate it? Anyway, let's go check out the next room, shall we?
So this looks like the master bedroom. Not bad, honestly, but I know we can make it way more modern. Let's let the pros do their job and see the magic happen.
Spot on. That's exactly the transformation I wanted. I think I'll just hang out here for a while, but feel free to go ahead and take a look at the kids' bedroom.
Wow, this room is a total game changer. It would be the dream setup for my son. Wait a second. He'd probably stay in here forever. Anyway, let's move on. We still have a bathroom to check out.
No, and 1,000 times no. You wouldn't catch me sitting on this toilet for even a second. This bathroom is a total place of disaster. Boys, you need to get to work immediately. This is a nightmare.
That wraps up property number 2. Sadly, no shots of the ground floor were available, but would you take on the challenge? On to house number 3, which is literally right around the corner.
A 4-room house in Tuscany for just 23,000. Welcome back, my friends. Let's see what we can do here. Boys, let's get to work.
This is exactly what I had in mind. A renovation has to fit the budget because we're not here to overspend. Come on in, let's check out the rooms.
Wow, I love it. What exactly did we do here? Fresh paint, new laminate floors, and some budget-friendly base cabinets. The rest, you probably have that at home already. Let's head to the bedroom. I don't know about you, but this room already feels like home. I love it! Ready to check out the man cave?
This room isn't huge, but it's where big Ducati dreams come true for a lot of guys. All right, friends, let's go and see the rest of the house.
absolute class. This is exactly how a bathroom should look today. A large minimalist design and plenty of space for the shower. Moving on with the tour, let's go. A simple but beautiful kids' room. Now a question for you. What do you think of these videos where I show you the potential? Let me know in the comments. See you outside in the garden in a second?
It looks great, but don't forget, watch your material costs and get your hands dirty. That's the secret to keeping it a true bargain.
So what's your take on these houses? Let me know in the comments. I promise to reply to every single one. Now I'm off to find some bargains in Spain. Any special requests for what I should look for? Ciao!